Morning children, let us continue with our lesson. So open your book, page number 8. Children, last class we saw a story about a small rat. This rat. So what is his name? Yes, his name is Nutcut. So his activities is also like his name only. One day what happens when his mom is not there? He started his work. So he started jumping here and there, up and down, front and back, everywhere he used to started jumping. Then what happened? So while playing he got stuck with this bundle of woolen or this yarn. What is called as yarn? So in this yarn or bundle of wool he gets stuck. Now he tries to cut this woolen, but he fails to cut the woolen. Then he starts calling his mother for the help. Can you see here? Ma bachao bachao. So he is calling his mother as well as his father for the help. So till here we saw in the last class. Shall we continue with the next line? Yes, so we completed till here. Now we are going to continue with the next. What happens now? Ma. Now when he calls for the help, the mother is here. Nutcut, Nutcut, kahan ho tum? Now the mother is saying Nutcut, Nutcut. He is calling his child. Kahan ho tum? Kahan ho tum means where are you? Kahan means where. Tum means you. So where are you? Next, Pitaji. Pitaji means father. Kya hua Nutcut? Now the father is asking, what happened Nutcut? Next, Nutcut, माँ देखो मैं ऊन में उलझ गया हूँ, निकल नहीं पा रहा. So I'll read it again. माँ देखो. Now this Nutcut is saying माँ देखो. So he is telling to his mother, see me. Mother, see me. मैं ऊन में उलझ गया हूँ. मैं means myself. He is talking about him. ऊन. ऊन you all know. Woolen. उलझ गया means he got stuck or twisted. He got twisted inside this woolen. So ulaj means twisted. 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 Understand? So मैं ऊन में उलझ गया हूँ. So I got twisted inside this woolen. निकल नहीं पा रहा. I am not able to come out of it. निकल means come out. Nahi means I am not able to come out. Understand? Nikal means come out. Nahi means I am not able to come out. Understood children? So what is this? Who is saying this? Yes, this Nutcut is saying. So he got stuck inside this woolen and he is not able to come out of it. Next, Ma. Now the mother is saying, Arey, tum kaise ulaj gaye? Now the mother is shocked. The question mark is there, no? Yes, so the mother is shocked and she is asking, तुम कैसे उलझ गए? How did you get stuck inside this woolen? तुम कैसे? कैसे means how. How. तुम कैसे? You. How did you get stuck? उलझ means get stuck inside this woolen. Understand? Next, पिताजी. रुको जरा. रुको ज़रा means wait. Please wait. रुको means wait. ज़रा means please wait. Understand? Next. If you want, you can keep on writing the meanings along with the line given there. Okay, whenever I am explaining children. Next. माँ धीरज रखो बेटा, पिताजी अभी सारी ऊन कुदर देंगे. Now the mother is saying, don't worry. धीरज means patient. Dheeraj means patient. So patience means what? So be calm. Okay, you can say as calm. Dheeraj means calm. 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 Be calm. Don't worry. Or you don't worry beta. Beta means son. पिताजी अभी सारी ऊन कुदर देंगे. So the mother is saying, your father will come. Abhi means now. The father will come now and sari means all. Sari means all. ऊन मीन्स उलन. So कुदर देंगे. So your father will come now and he will cut kudar means cut all the woolen. Okay children. Next, पिताजी देखो सारी ऊन हट गई. Now the पिताजी is saying now he has cut all the woolen around this rat. So now the father is saying देखो सारी ऊन हट गई. Now he has cut the wound, right? So now he is telling to the rat everything is gone out. So sari wound हट गई means now he has come out. Next, Natkad he ho. Now this boy is this Natkad, he is very happy. He is making sound he ho. मैं तो ऊन से बाहर आ गया. Now he is very happy and he is saying I am come out. मैं बाहर means out. Okay, आ गया, come out. So he is come out from this woolen. So he is saying I am very much happy and I have come out of this woolen. Understood? Next, माँ अब शरारत मत करना. Now mother is advising to the rat. Now she is saying that you don't make any naughty thing. शरारत means naughty. Understand? नेक्स्ट, नटखट ठीक है माँ मैं कभी शरारत नहीं करूँगा. नाउ दिस नटखट बॉय इज सेइंग ओके मदर. सो ठीक है मीन्स ओके मदर मैं कभी शरारत नहीं करूँगा. नाउ ही इज सेइंग दैट आई विल नॉट डू एनी नॉटी थिंग्स हियर आफ्टर. ओके, मैं कभी शरारत मीन्स नॉटी नहीं करूँगा मीन्स आई विल नॉट do hereafter. Okay, so this is we end up with the story now children. So what did we learn from this story children? Yes, we learned that we have to listen to our parents or elders. Okay, so whatever they say we have to listen to them. Yes or no children? Yes, so we end up with this lesson. Next class we'll see the meanings of this lesson. So today your homework is learn the or read the lesson thoroughly. Okay children, thank you.